Hello everyone, today I'm going to show top best 8K smart TVs in 2023. Based on specification, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started the video. Number 5. VIZIO M Series Q6 Smart TV 4K picture perfection with 1 billion plus colors, more color than you can imagine. Over 1 billion colors enhanced with quantum color QLED. Contrast and brightness are optimized with VIZIO's Dolby Vision HDR Bright Mode, HDR10+, full array LED backlight and active pixel tuning. America's Smart TV instantly access millions of titles with America's Smart TV. Stream shows, movies, news, sports, music, and more on all your favorite apps, and enjoy over 250 free channels on Watch Free Plus. Free TV lives here. Save on cable bills and stream for free with VIZIO Watch Free Plus. Built into every new VIZIO TV, Watch Free Plus gives you 250 plus live streaming channels and over 5,000 titles on demand. No subscriptions, logins, or fees. Powerful performance. The VIZIO M Series Quantum has the horsepower for powerful 4K picture processing and ultra-fast download speeds utilizing VIZIO's IQ active processor. Paired with built-in tri-band Wi-Fi 6E, your VIZIO TV is the ultimate streaming machine. The future of connectivity. Stream in the fast lane with Wi-Fi 6E. Double the bandwidth of 5G. 6 GHz acts as a superhighway, allowing you to stream more content without interrupting other connected devices in your smart home. That's ideal 4K. Number 4, Hisense U8QF ULED 4K HDR TV. 4K ULED, like great, but better. The 50U6HF has our exclusive ULED technologies. They boost color, contrast, brightness, motion. We could go on. It's the TV your old TV wants to be. Quantum. Wide color gamut. Quantum. Produces purer, richer, more brilliant and accurate colors than a regular LED TV. Creating over a billion color combinations brings vibrant images to life in a way non-QLED TVs can't. Fire TV built-in. With Fire TV built-in, you can enjoy a world of entertainment from apps like Prime Video, Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and HBO Max+. Stream for free with Freevee, Pluto TV, Tubi, and more. Subscription may be required. Peak brightness / full array local dimming zones. This television offers up to 600 nits peak brightness across up to 32 local dimming zones. Above average peak brightness and local dimming are critical to correctly reproducing HDR content. Dolby Vision HDR, HDR10, and HDR10+, transform your TV into an entertainment powerhouse. The image technology from cinemas, now brought directly to your home, provide amazing realism that you'll experience like never before. Motion rate 240. 60 Hz native refresh rate and HDMI 2.1. The TV's HDMI 2.1 YARC port is the foundation for its 240 motion rate and native 60 Hz refresh rate. These technologies work in concert to make fast action scenes to ensure moving objects have minimal blurring. Number 3. Panasonic LZ2000 QLED TV, 4K upscaling. Whatever you watch, the processor 4K transforms it to 4K with machine learning-based iSmooth motion. Action movies, sports and games look fluid up to 4K 120 Hz with Motion Accelerator Turbo plus dynamic contrast. See bold detail delivered by dedicated warm and cool dual LED backlights that adjust in real time. A billion brilliant colors. Enjoy vivid, lifelike color, regardless of brightness from 100% color volume * with Quantum. Expanded color range. Go beyond HD TV with Quantum HDR that delivers a vivid spectrum of color and contrast to your smart TV. Alexa built-in. Just ask Alexa, Google Assistant or Bixby to open your apps, change channels, control smart home devices and more. Smart TV powered by Tizen. Access your favorite apps, streaming services, and smart home devices right from your TV. Number 2, VIZIO Product V-Series 4K HDR Smart TV, VIZIO IQ Active 4K HDR Processor. Inside, the lightning-fast IQ Active processor delivers superior picture processing and more intelligent 4K upscaling engine, displaying your favorite HD entertainment in spectacular 4K quality. Active Pixel Tuning, intelligent pixel-level brightness adjustments for increased picture accuracy and contrast. V Gaming Engine automatically makes the latest Xbox One and PlayStation gameplay more responsive with auto game mode and the V-Series lowest input lag. VIZIO SmartCast, with lightning-fast navigation, enjoy instant access to the best selection of apps from top-tier streaming services like Netflix, Disney+, YouTube, Prime Video, and many more right on the TV using the all-new Smart Remote or SmartCast mobile app. Free streaming channels, a cord cutter's dream, serving up unlimited free viewing from specially curated channels, movies, TV shows, news, and more. No fees, logins, or subscription. Included components: power cable, remote control, stand. Number 1, Sony X90J 65-inch TV, BRAVIA XR Full Array LED 4K Ultra HD Smart TV Cognitive Processor. XR, revolutionary TV processing technology that understands how humans see and hear to deliver intense contrast with pure blacks, high peak brightness, and natural colors. XR Triluminos Pro. Rediscover everything you watch with billions of accurate colors and see impressive picture quality that is natural and beautiful to the human eye. Full Array LED and XR Contrast Booster. Precisely controlled backlighting brings out real-life depth and detail with deep blacks and high peak brightness. Google TV. Seamlessly browse 700,000 plus movies and TV episodes from across your favorite streaming services, all in one place. Watch content from Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, YouTube, the Apple TV app, and many more. USB drive format support FAT16/FAT32/exFAT/NS. BRAVIA Core, bring the cinematic experience home. Enjoy streaming high-quality movies included with BRAVIA Core, exclusively on select Sony TVs. Perfect for PlayStation 5. Get the most out of your gaming with BRAVIA XR TVs featuring exclusive features for the PS5 console along with 4K/120 FPS as specified in HDMI 2.1 and input lag as low as 8.5 ms. Works with Alexa. Through an Alexa-enabled device, ask Alexa to change channels, adjust volume, and turn your TV on/off.